Okay, we're continuing on in functions. We're looking at mapping. Mapping can be found at the bottom of page 257. Okay? When you're talking about mapping, you're going to be given a set of ordered pairs or some domains and ranges. So if you had like 11 and 2, negative 3 and 6, 5 and 8, and negative 2 and 1. Okay? Domain is the first, the X, range is the Y. And so when you get ready to map, you label domain, range. Okay? And we put all the domains in the domain section. So that's your X value. So that's 11, negative 3, 5, negative 2. And then we begin to put our Y values. So we have 1, 8, 6, 2. And then we match them up with arrows. 11 goes to 2. Okay? Negative 3 goes to 6. Negative 5 goes, 5 goes to 8. And negative 2 goes to 1. Thinking about what we talked about in the previous video, do we have one-to-one correspondence? In other words, for my domains, does my domain go only to one range? So 11 goes only to 2. Negative 3 goes only to 5. 5 goes only to 1. Negative 2 goes only to 1. Okay? Now, let's look at a couple others, because remember we said a function has to have one-to-one correspondence. That means for every one domain, it only can have one range. Your range could be repeated. Let's look at this set of ordered pairs. Okay? Negative 2, 5. 2, 5. 3, 6. 1, 8. Okay? So we're going to write negative 2, 2, 3, 1. And we're going to go 8, 6, 5. We only need to write each number once. Okay? Negative 2 matches with 5. 2 matches with 5. 3 matches with 6. 1 matches with 8. My domains. Do my domains go to more than one number? Negative 2 only goes to 5. 2 only goes to 5. 3 only goes to 6. 1 only goes to 8. So it is a function. I have one-to-one correspondence. Even though 5 is there more than once, my inputs are corresponding to one unique output. Okay? All right, let's look at another example. One more here for mapping. Okay? Negative 2, 8. 3, 6. 2, 5. 3, negative 1. Okay? Domain, range. Negative 2, 3, 2. 3 is already there. Okay? 8, 6, 5, negative 1. All right, so let's look at this. Negative 2 maps to 8. 3 maps to 6. 2 maps to 5. 3 maps to negative 1. 3 has more than one unique output. There is not one-to-one correspondence for 3. Not a function. So your ranges can be repeated, your domains cannot. Okay? a way to show that in mapping. There are several other tests we'll do. That's mapping for you.